Hi A-listers! So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you my staycation dito sa Holiday Inn. So as an IHG member, na-avail ko yung discount nila under Pride package and then ito yung inclusion niya. Stayed for 3 days and 2 nights with 2 breakfast buffet, airport car transport, and then 4 pieces of cloth na pwede nyong ipa-laundry. And I don't know with you, A-listers, but for me, I always give what is due to others. So, I just also want to appreciate yung mga staff sa IHG. Ang una na doon would be Miss Jen sa front desk kasi she accommodated our request for an early check-in, as in as early as 10 a.m. Though, privilege talaga yun ng IHG member, pero she accommodated me talaga ng maaga, and then all of my room requirements, lahat yon talaga na-meet nila. Cornered room, quiet side, greater view, away from the elevator. So, excellent job. Talagang 5-star. Kung pwedeng 5 million stars. Talagang ayon. So, thank you so much. Ang next ko namang i-share sa inyo, A-listers, would be this one. Tanan! The bathroom. So, as you can see, meron pa siyang bathtub. Talagang gamit na gamit yan from day 1 up to day 3. Lalo na ako masama pakiramdam ko. Kaya gusto ko ng half bath. Buti na lang dala ko yung from Bodyworks. And then, ayan na ang gym facility. So, guys, yung gym nila dito is Anytime Fitness. So, ang kagandahan lang, 24/7 yung gym. And yan, yung key card mo, yan na din mismo ang pang-access mo sa gym. Merong coach din dyan, dahil nga Anytime Fitness siya. Tapos, ayan yung facility nila. Yan. Ako naman, yan, ang ginawa ko. Actually, after stretching, kadalasan talaga, yan ang ginagawa ko for leg workout, and medyo cardio ko na din yan. So, like, lang minutes ba ginawa ko? Like, mga 15 minutes? Basta, I think, mga less than 20 minutes ako na ganyan. After nyan, core workout naman ako sa abs ko para medyo liit na yung abs ko. And then, yan. Yung spa, same floor siya sa gym. 5th floor. So, pwede kayo magpa-room service. Pero, pwede din kayo sa mismong spa, guys. And then, ngayon, pupunta na tayo sa pool area. And since may sakit nga ako, just like what I've said a while ago, hindi ako nakapag-swim. Kasi tinest ko pa nga yung water kasi sabi ko, baka naman kaya, baka pwede ako mag-swim. Hindi talaga eh. Feeling ko, mas lalong tutuloy-tuloy yung sakit ko kung mag-swim ako. So, ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo yung view, guys, ng pool nila. Actually, dalawa yung pool. Isang kiddie pool and then another one for the adults. Tapos may lifeguard dyan nasa likod ng camera. So, later makikita nyo pag turn ko ng camera. Ayan. And then, ayan na tayo sa breakfast buffet. This is day 2 na ng breakfast buffet namin. Tapos, ang saya kasi may carbonara. Ito yung kiddie meal section. Actually, may iba't ibang station pa sila. Kahit breakfast buffet siya, ang daming choices. Meron pa silang vegetarian section. Na-appreciate yun, nakasama ko kasi healthy living siya. Tapos, ayan, meron siyang mga tortilla. Tapos, may biryani rice. And then, ito, curry type siya ng egg. So, ayan. Tapos, yan, garlic broccoli. And then, doon naman tayo sa next section, which is the cereals section. So, meron dyang iba't ibang types of cereals. Tapos, pwede rin kayo mag-add ng ibang toppings. So, merong kayong Coco Crunch, Corn Flakes, and ayun, other cereals. And then, after this, punta naman tayo sa bread section. Actually, guys, meron pa silang dessert dyan. Meron dyang choco marble cake, carrot cake, brownies. Masarap yung brownies and carrot cake. Yung choco marble, di ko na talaga na-try kasi nga, ayan, inuubo na ako. And then, ayan, mga jams, for the bread. Tas, ito yung different kinds ng breads na meron sila. Yan, and pastries. Ayan. Tas, ito yung rice and ulam section. Merong steam rice, may garlic rice, and even pancit canton gisado meron sila. Tsaka yung mga healthy living, yan. May butter mixed vegetables sila. Tas, guys, eto. Nung first day may pork adobo, na nasarapan talaga kami. Tapos, nung second day, ito naman, chicken adobo. Tapos, meron din sila chicken longganisa.
Sure.
Tapos, beef steak Tagalog. Tapos, sweet and sour fish fillet. Tapos, nire-refill nila yan, guys. Just ask them. Ito talaga, kumain talaga ako ng chicken mami. Lalo na nga, ayan, may sakit ako. May udon, may mami type ng noodles. So, pili na lang kayo. Tapos, yung ibang food na uulit dyan, yan, yung omelette, pwede kayong magpa-cook ng egg based sa preference yung may over easy, may scrambled, meron din, may choices din if gusto nyo lagyan ng iba pang parang pwedeng i-add sa egg nyo. Just let them know. Tapos ito, may mga sides na inulit lang yung ulam para mas accessible sa guests. I also want to say thank you to Sir Eric ng Fab Restaurant kasi napaka-accommodating niya talaga, all smiling and nice. Tapos ayan guys, ayan, meron kayong choices. Pwede kayong mag-order either hot coffee or hot chocolate. And then, ito na yung food namin. And guys, pag masaya kayo sa breakfast buffet sa Holiday Inn, please give them a feedback kasi talagang deserving sila, lalo na ang babait nila. Sila Miss Mitch, sila Sir Eric, and then ayun na nga, check out na ako. Thank you Sir Adrian na you helped me sa mga gamit ko. Tapos guys, I just want to thank IHG kasi they even gave us like a late checked out as late as 6 p.m. Tapos, as you can see, talagang Christmas feels na, and grabe, we really enjoyed our stay. Talagang super duper worth it. Memorable staycation ever. Definitely, we will be back. So, thank you, Holiday Inn, Manila Galleria. Thank you for watching, A-listers. Please like, share, and subscribe. Laters!